welcome back to Mama Sign Time. So today we are hiking at the mountains.
We're going on an adventure.
Yeah.
We're going on an adventure.
Yeah, my mom loves hiking.
Yes, I do.
I'm kind of tired already because we didn't just started. We've been walking. It's just we forgot to record.
I dropped the pen. I was drawing
I will.
pictures of the scenery. Let me show you a little bit. Hold on, I want to show real fast. The snow is melting. There's not a lot of snow.
Yeah.
So pretty. So we'll show you guys a little bit more right now. Yeah, it's easier if you go on this side than that one. Because those rocks are big. We're going to try to see if we can make it all the way to the top. Do you guys think we can make it to the top?
Maybe. I don't know.
You don't think so?
I'll try my best to.
You're going to try your best?
Yeah.
We made it last time.
You did?
Yeah, a long time ago. We made it all the way up there. But we took quite a few breaks, so we'll probably have to do the same. You guys want to take a picture? Taking a little break, guys. How do you feel? Maribel just did a TikTok up here.
Good.
Look how pretty it looks.
You should go follow me.
Yeah, you should go follow her on TikTok so you can see all of her TikToks. There's a lot of people here. Say hello, my friends. Hello, friends. So beautiful over here.
In there, we got trees on the back.
Wait, why is it moving?
Wind. So pretty. Maribel, well, why were you running? She's already tired. I said I was hanging in there. I'm running out of breath. I really am running out of breath.
I'm used to it because I always run all the time.
Okay, so they just told us that when we reach the top, we're gonna find waterfall and snow. Are you excited?
Yeah, but I'm tired because I was running a lot.
And look at them. Okay, bye, Daddy. Bye, Sarah. Totally just left the girls behind.
Okay, let's go.
There goes Myra. Should I run? Let's go. I can do this.
Stop running. They're crazy. I'm already tired.
So now she's super tired.
Yeah,
We're gonna take a break.
yeah, we might take a break.
We might? I think you need a break. Whoa.
Well, okay, look at the view. Look at that. Pretty. This is awesome. So, this is gonna be the first time going to the top.
You wanna take a break? You can sit right there.
Okay.
Water.
Oh, I'm so tired. So,
Don't fall from there.
I know. I need a lot of water. But I want to sit on here. Oh, you guys, look at that pretty view.
Here.
I see people all the way over there.
Where?
Watch. Over there where there's yellow. Those trees that kind of look yellow on the front. On the front.
Here. Daddy.
They look like
Sorry. Here.
where?
So they're going through that month?
Yeah.
I'm gonna drop the phone. Sorry, guys.
That's the one you go up?
The sun looks like it wants to come out. That looks so cool. On the phone, it looks cool. That view though. Look. Maribel, you want to see how the sun wants to peep out? Bless you.
Simone.
Look.
Oh, yeah.
Almost savage.
Guys, I think I hear water. Oh, look. Do you hear it? I hear it. Oh, there. How are you hanging in there, Maribel?
Good. I keep getting tired, but I can't believe I'm actually doing it.
Me too, because
I remember that I told you guys that
where did Daddy go?
I'll
You think he's gonna
try.
scare us? Okay, we lost Daddy.
Yeah,
We don't know where he went. I think he, you think you know where he's at? He left us.
I did.
Where? You're throwing rocks? Yeah. I didn't even feel them or heard them or anything.
It's actually the first time I'm gonna make it.
No, that's not true. A long time ago, we came here
Because
with...
I was little. This is the first time that I'll make it when I'm big.
Well, if you were able to do it when you were smaller, I feel like you should be able to do it when you're bigger. Ooh, look, you guys can still see snow. See it?
Oh, yeah.
Let's go. We're almost there. We are almost there. Maribel's so excited.
Wait, wait.
Maribel got scared.
I was about to say, where's Isaiah? But then I was like,
We live for these kind of views. Oh, yes. If only we can actually live over here. What would you think? Would you like to live over here? Yeah, me too. Me too. Yes, ma'am?
I think I got like a lot now, like enough.
She's taking her bunny some food home.
Yeah.
She's going to love it because it came from over here.
Yeah, because my bunny loves these plants, kind of.
She loves all the green. Whew. I love coming over here because it feels so good. And I would do anything to escape the heat. When I mean anything, I mean anything. Because I hate the heat. You guys haven't came up here to Cathedral Rock at Mount Charleston? You definitely should. If you like nature.
Wait, you guys.
Do you hear it?
Yeah.
I
I
hear
think
it.
we're close.
I think so too. Definitely hear the water now. I'm sure we're close.
Yeah.
Oh, I think we found it. Whew. It's a lot of water?
Let's go.
Oh yeah, look, there's water right here. There's water through the trail? Yeah, look. There's like a little stream coming down. It is pretty. Oh yeah. I'm excited. Let's see. There's snow?
Oh my God.
We found snow. That's really cold water? Oh yes, how pretty. A lot of pretty rocks? This looks so pretty. Oh, yep. My shoes are getting wet now. Let's see. It is like a little waterfall. Careful. Wow. Ah! That's so cool. We made it. We made it, we made it. That water is gonna be so cold. You wet your head?
Cold water.
Wow, he's coming all the way from the top. It's gonna be really cold, baby. Whoa.
Careful, eh?
Did you wet yourself? Are you going? Sorry. Do you want to climb up there? Do you remember when we climbed up?
Yeah.
All the way up through there? There wasn't as much water though.
It's a lot.
Coming from all the way up there. We're going to try to go up a little bit. Yeah, go.
Let's go.
Carefully, my friend.
Can you see it? Oh, be careful.
Yeah. Be careful though. Careful. Go right there with Daddy. Careful. Careful. You're throwing the snow at me. We found the snow. Oh yeah. So pretty.
Ready?
Is throwing what? What are you throwing?
Now to the water.
All right, go. I think you do hit it too. Oh my god! Me? Oh my gosh! It's so cold. That water is cold. Sorry. We find snow. We found snow, water, and what is this called? A Yeah, it's slippery, so we have to be careful. They're going back down. Esa wants to ride his bike, but we brought their bike. We brought their bike so they can ride their bike a little bit in the picnic area.
Let's go down.
Careful, okay? That looks so cool right there where you're at.
Where? Me?
Yeah, right here where you're at. That looks cool right there. You changed your mind? You coming with me? There is a lot of water right there, Mama. All right, come on then. The little waterfall? Okay, go with Isaiah. Isaiah, make sure she don't fall. Yeah. Well, I can't see that far.
My big old pipe.
Wow. That thing's huge. Wow. They're really going up there. Where? Oh, cool. There's a cave. Let's see.
Okay, break. All right.
Right there.
Hey, no more.
Maribel, no more, baby girl. Okay, guys, we are on our way back down because the sun is going in and it's getting a little fresh. And going down is actually easier, much easier than going up. Not as much fun, but easier for sure. And see, there's Isaiah and Maribel. Oh, Maribel got hurt. We'll show you guys in a little bit. Do you guys like it better going up or going down? Down? It's more of an adventure going up. Ah, that's good. It's easier. Looks so pretty. I love how green everything looks. Well, right here, because then the sun covers everything else. It's so beautiful.
I got hurt.
Let's see. Show us. Ooh, that's a battle scratch right there. But you're good, huh?
It kind of hurts, but not that much anymore.
We're not thinking about it.
Yeah.
The less we think about it, the less it hurts, right?
Yeah.
Right, I agree. I agree. Now, where did the boys go?
I don't know.
Dun, 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 dun. Where did the boys go? They keep. Oh, nice. Where did Isaiah go?
I don't know.
Oh, that's nice right there.
Mhm.
I know. Really nice.
Where are you going?
Come on.
Where is he going?
I don't know.
Oh, this feels good.
He's just walking.
Tell him.
It feels so good out here. You really scared me.
Distract him.
So that's what you were doing, distracting us?
Yeah.
Ah, you sneaky guys.
I went right here and then I'll be like, oh yeah, let's.
So it was your idea, sir. It was your idea, sir?
No, it was mine.
Oh, it was your
I
idea.
hid it. I hide and then he hide.
He distracted us.
I put down the music.
You're smart. Come on. They're being sneaky. What are they up to? Let's see. We'll see right now. What do you think they're up to? I don't know. They're being sneaky.
Hey.
What is it? Oh my God, that's so pretty.
The big ones smell like the real tree, like the green.
Oh, that's
Let's smell
so pretty. Let me smell it. Okay, so,
I'm showing her where could we go.
all right. We found this little place right here. We have our little blanket there, and the kids are able to ride here and along this bridge. And this whole little walkway. I don't know where I'm stepping on. You got it, Mama? A little bit, but not too far, okay? Yeah. And we are just hanging out right here. About to make some carnita burritos. Not burritos, what are those called? Birotes. Bolillos. So we're gonna put some carnitas in there. A new dress, show us. Ooh, look at you. Cutie pie. It's the only way we can keep her warm.
Yeah.
And I said just flew by right now. Let's see if he flies back again.
I'm gonna eat.
It's really good. Really, really,
I'm
really
gonna
good.
take off my outfit. You wanna see how I take it off?
1, 2, 3. Oh, I thought you were just gonna pull it and yank it off. Oh, he's coming. Hold on. Voila!
Look at.
Excuse me.
Oh, you guys wanna see something? I'll be right back. You guys.
Who are you?
Huh?
Who are you? Daddy got you. Did you see him?
Yeah. Guys, I have a surprise for you guys. Ready? Set.
This is where it landed. Right there. That's where it landed.
You gotta get it, Mom. I don't have no shoes.
You get it. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, hold on. Where is he? Oh, got him. You're so fast. Baby girl's cold.
You guys want to leave it?
It's so cold.
We don't got to play here.
Finally eating.
We don't got to play here.
No, we can play at the house.
You guys, look up.
We can play football at the house and ride bikes at the house outside in the front yard. Because it's getting kind of fresh up here because, excuse me, the sun is going in. See? I mean, it looks beautiful.
Guys, so we're heading home, and thank you for watching, and click the bell and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!